Now let's study about schedule of cleaning. Schedule of cleaning done on 3 types: daily clean, a general cleaning done every day, a weekly clean, more thorough cleaning done periodically, a spring clean usually done once a year or when needed. Procedure for cleaning a room. Once you enter the room, open all windows to let the fresh air come. Remove all unwanted articles like the teacups, etc., and empty ashtrays and dustbins. Sweep the floor, dust all surfaces including furniture and fixtures, brush or vacuum clean the carpet, mop the whole area, then replace linen wherever required, like in a bedroom, make the bed, in a restaurant, cover the tables, in bathrooms, check for towels, soaps, etc. Finally, adjust windows, do a general survey to see that everything is in order and to your satisfaction. Procedure for cleaning kitchen. Collect all used utensils from the counters, wipe and clean the gas stove, electrical appliances and the counters. Wash all utensils, sweep the floor, mop or wash the kitchen with a mild disinfectant. General procedure for weekly cleaning. Start in the open all the windows for fresh air. Remove all unwanted articles like trays, teacups, bottles, etc. Empty the ashtray and dustbins. Remove all dirty linen. Remove stains from walls, doors, windows and furniture. Check and clean thoroughly that all the drawers, wipe, dust or polish table lamps, accessories, telephone if needed. Vacuum clean the carpets and other upholstery. If vacuum cleaner is not available, use a brush. Sweep, dust and mop the surfaces. Replace linen with the clean linen. Survey the room for any discrepancy and adjust windows as desired. Weekly kitchen cleaning. Empty out the shelves, clean the jars and bins, change the newspapers, rearrange the cupboards, then clean the sunmica on the cupboard door panels with a wet cloth and clean the tiles. Procedure for spring cleaning. Ventilate the room, take off all linen including curtains and remove them from the room. Remove all the movable articles including lampshades, pictures, wall hanging, etc. Wipe and clean everything. If necessary, remove all furniture and furnishings from the room. At least remove soft furnishing like carpets, clean the cobwebs. Sweep the floors, do the required maintenance work, polish the furniture, decorative articles, clean carpets thoroughly in the sun or send for dry cleaning, relay it. Replace everything at the predetermined place including all furniture and fixtures. Rearrange the heavy furniture to give a new look. Dust and mop, adjust windows, survey the room to your satisfaction. Spring cleaning for kitchen. Empty out the kitchen, spread the pulses, spices, etc. out in the sun. Then clean the cobwebs, clean exhaust fan and light switches, clean tiles with detergents, spray insecticides in corners, wash kitchen counters with hot soapy solution and if needed polish them. Wipe stains on cupboards doors, tighten any loose screws, replace newspaper lining in cupboards, label and arrange all boxes back in place. Wash the floor.